Hi everyone, welcome to MyGlamm. I'm Siddhi and today I'll show you how to create pouty lips in just under 5 minutes. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on. So the first step is to outline your lips, and for that I'm using this MyGlamm Lit Matte Lip Liner pencil in the shade Spoilt. Now that I've outlined my lips, I'm going to fill my lips using the same pencil. Now that I've filled in my lips completely using this lip liner pencil, I'm going to top it up with a nude lipstick. And for that, I'm using this MyGlamm Ultimatte Long Stay Matte Lipstick in shade Goddess. Now to give a pouty effect, I'll be applying some concealer on the center of my lips. I'm using MyGlamm Super Serum Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'll take some of it on my fingertip and just blend it on the center. Now for the last step, I'm going to apply a lip gloss on my lips to give that pouty finish look. And for this, I'm using this POPxo lip gloss in the shade Shortcake. And we are done. So this is the final look. I absolutely love it and it's my go-to look because it's so easy and so quick to achieve it. If you also like it, do try this out and let us know what other looks would you want us to create in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MyGlamm for more such videos.